Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the response styles for replies you receive from Claude AI in a Claude AI application on Android. So let us guide you through this. Launch the Claude AI application. Let me launch it on my Android, for example, and start a new chat by tapping into new chat here on your home screen. Next, on the next page, tap into this text field here. And what you want to do, guys, is tap into this customization button below your chat field, just like that. And from here, simply click into choose style. The default style is normal, which will give you default responses from Claude. But you may also switch to a different style, leaning, for example, to concise, formal, learning, each one with its own characteristics like patient, educational responses that build understanding, to quote the learning style, or you can give Claude AI the command to write concise responses that are short and also formal, explanatory, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it. Return to the previous menu by tapping into that arrow icon, close that window, and start chatting with Claude AI using the selected style. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.